Okay, the ice just dropped, which means the water fill should turn on any second now. That is the sound of the ice maker. According to Whirlpool, that is a normal sound. I've had ice makers, refrigerators for over 40 years, and I've never heard an ice maker make that much noise when all it's doing is filling the ice tray with water. So to me, there's either a bad part or a bad design by Whirlpool. I've called Whirlpool. I've had a serviceman come out. He tells me that the sound is normal. I do not believe that is a normal sound.